my baby, my Valentine, yeah. Boy, now you done making my temperature dead rise. If you leave me, I go die, I swear. You are like the oxygen I need.
Hi guys, my name is Noni Matikela. Welcome to the Noni M podcast. So I want us to go through further details old Judge Rata was talking about here when it comes to the case. He is specifically telling us, Sukuti, we need to take a chill pill. But Judge Rata is saying, listen, you guys, I know you've got too much opinions there, wherever you are. Publics, you public opinioners, you YouTubers, I know Bondaba, you have too much opinions. Keep it to yourselves. Ne? And then he explains why he is giving us that jab, Payana. But before we get into doing that, guys, please make sure you do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel. Please make sure you are watching the videos up until the end and you are watching the ads that are coming through. When you are doing that, you are supporting the channel financially and in numbers, and I thank you so much for what you are doing for the channel. Anyway, let's get straight to Ujaj Rata. So Ujaj Rata is saying that there are so many cases that have taken longer than this one, and Tina, we are out here busy complaining about how long this case have been, blah blah blah. That time this case started in 2020 because the guys were arrested in 2020, and yena he knows ukuthi uJudge Maumela started this case in 20, and then Ubaloyi was jumping there in the castle and was like February 2022. So the reason he is clued up like that and has the dates here in his mind, he's been busy babysitting this case from lower court, which is the magistrate court in Boksburg, up until Pretoria High Court. He's been busy with the case. If why, only him knows why, I don't know. But he's been babysitting the case. Anyway, so Ujaj Rata is saying, then Ujaj Rata was talking about a Basson case that took longer. Apparently, Ubaloyi was reminding him that actually the Basson case started in 1999 and finished in 2005, which is about 6 years. So Ujaj Rata was trying to get us to relax. Take a chill pill, people, and your comments that are unneeded, not requested, because you're busy pushing, making it as if I, Judge Rata, that's how he sounded for me. I, Judge Rata, keeps on postponing the case. Gelo Klasha, it's the circumstances that are making the situation to be where it is right now. And currently on this one, it was unforeseen circumstances. Passing of Mngomezulu was unforeseen circumstances on our side. So that's why we are where we are. And then he says then, so because of that, I don't want people to be saying I'm slacking off, don't want to work. I also know that Uma Umele started in February, and then I came here, it was 2022 February, and I came here in July. I don't know about you guys, meaning the councils. I started here in July 2023. It's been a year. Only this year we're gonna go to a second year, guys, with Ujaj Rata. But all he is saying, he's gonna push when they come back. He's hoping that there won't be any delays after that. The case will pull upwards and do whatever so that he can give his judgment. I think that's what he was alluding to. And then the other thing that he says that made me laugh is him continually. He continues to say, abondaba. We are chesting those chest pains, good Judge Rata, about abondaba. We irritated the hell out of this man. Umkulu is not happy with us, guys, the YouTubers. Really, literally, he is not happy with the YouTubers because he keeps repeating that word. So he puts it out there, we will come back on the 14th. For the first time ever, but like this situation, bayavumelana. First time. Ndiyaqala ukumbona uJudge Rata evumelana nomshololo, bayavumelana ukuthi makubuye nge-second term, and uJudge Rata is like, I'm hoping there won't be any delays, we'll come back, start working, sihuqa right through. Utsho ke uJudge Rata ngathi bondaba, we need to buzz off, we need to back off, let them do their job ngohlobo labo. buzz off. Marake, he was not rude. He was not. He was just japping at us, telling us like, guys, back off. Back off. Allow us some space to deal with this. Ngohlobo esazi ngalo as legal minds. You people and your public opinions, hlalane ekoneni yenu. That's what I was hearing. I hope I'm not toxic for hearing him say those things, even though Yena, he did not say them like that. But to me, that's how it sounded like. Anyway, let's talk with comment section, okay, guys. I want to hear your views. Do you think Judge Rata chest pains because Kuki YouTubers that are talking about the Senzo Meyiwa case and his name keeps on popping out in these videos? Do you think Judge Rata is unhappy with Abo Noni? Abo Mzansi Reality, Abo Mzansi Unfiltered, Abo Clandis Dumagote, Abo Infotainment, Abo, like there's a lot of us that are talking about this case. So, Judge Rata, is he impressed with us? I don't think so. What are your thoughts? Let's talk in the comment section. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.
Just want to mention that the Basson case started in 1999 and finalized in 2005.
How many years?
So it's about six years.
6?
6 years, yes.
Yeah, and this case, people confuse this case with the investigation and the alleged arrest of the accused. This case is not like a case where people committed A on a Monday and after 3 months, those people were allegedly arrested and they were before court. I mean, the first time the accused were arrested, as I listened to the evidence, was in 2020. Am I correct?
Yes, indeed.
When this alleged offense happened allegedly in October 2014.
Yes.
And then the previous Mr. Maumakwe, my brother Maumakwe, Maumela, started the case when? In 2021.
February of 2022.
Right. February 2022.
Yes.
And I also, after that, came in, on July 2023. So objectively speaking, I don't know about the other guys, I started being involved in July 2023. And I can tell you, Mr. Minister, I read the record. Yeah. I didn't come to court with an empty head. I read the record as it was recorded, as from the time Judge Maumela started to preside. And when those proceedings were set aside, fine. Didn't mean that I didn't know what was happening. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so we are going to postpone this case. Hopefully it will be for the last final time. Today?
The date for the first time is 14 April.
14th April, okay.
Survive, I'll be honest. Your love